The Royal Mall is actually just behind here. Okay, if you check your map right now, you're gonna see it. It's not. Recording. There's a lot of dogs here. They're like a pet store is really profitable, right?
Is this fresh water then?
No, it was no ocean. So are we gonna go under the bridge? You can't go there.
It's a train bridge.
If trains have a gender, what would it be? Transgender.
Trains.
Oh, there! I can see it. There.
The ones that eat birds with breakfast. It just runs and drinks right into the water.
Hey, you don't break that. No! Everyone's really fast here, actually. Wait, we can walk here, right?
Yeah.
This is not a bike path. Yield to pedestrian, it says. So they should yield to us. Yield.
There's a seal. There's a seal.
Yeah. Fish capture location. What kind of fish?
Oh, they capture them from the.
Oh, here.
reservoir, and they take. This is our drinking water.
Oh.
Or well, Vancouver's drinking water. They take them from here and release them into the ocean.
And then you can catch it.
The new Apple Watch has a trace now, no?
Yeah.
It tracks your movement.
Sometimes you can tap like this. You can tap to record a position.
Yeah, and then it's gonna track your
So if you're in the forest somewhere, right? But I don't care about Apple Watch because we have this. Really far away. Are those a floating house?
No. I don't think so. There's no water there. The floating house is on the other side.
It's nice to bike here. Those people biking. It goes all the way there to the end.
Yeah. It's next to the Lion Snake Bridge. It's next to the
All right.
Remember we rode the banks and we pulled one off. We were already there, we could just cross
Oh,
the
we
bridge.
did cross the bridge. Okay.
I mean, it's scary.
In video games, you can jump there. There's a wall here. Invisible wall.
Imagine that video game. The video game is just your character working out,
Right?
and you're taking it. You have to pick what trail you want to walk on.
It's a good video game actually.
And you gotta
Work out. You start as skinny or fat.
Yeah, and you gotta make your character lean and go for runs and go for walks. Take photos of stuff you see, like in nature, like birds.
Right?
Have like a coyote skin.
Wait, we're on the street now?
No?
Or is that a mall? I'm seeing cars. There's cars there. Can you check the map?